Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back um, with another video, and today I wanted to share I received my Easter Easter tag from Donna, who's powered by creativity here on YouTube. And I received her tag in the mail today, so I hope you got mine, Donna. Um, this is so pretty. This was unpaper clip. I'm assuming that, oops, no. I'm assuming that the paper clip goes up here because it was unclipped. But I love these little trims, or eyelash trim, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just gonna, I love this pom-pom trim on the ends here. So cute. It's really cute, and this says Happy Easter, and it has a church, which I love. You know, she has a cross on her necklace, some tulips, and some eggs. So it's really, really pretty. And I think she printed this on her silhouette or Cricut or something like that. So it's very different. And then here is the back. Look how cute this is. Bunny kisses and Easter wishes from her boyfriend. And it says all her information. So cute. And this is Pop Dot. This is so cool. Thank you, Donna. I appreciate my tag. It's so pretty. So I want to thank everybody for joining me today, and it's Good Friday, and I wish everybody a happy Easter this Sunday. Have a good weekend, a blessed weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.